In today's video, I'll show you how to set up email to case in Salesforce. First, open your browser and go to the official Salesforce website, then make sure to log in with your account. On the home page, click the gear icon at the top right, then select Setup. In the Quick Find box, type Email to Case, then click it under Service. Next, click Continue. Make sure that Email to Case is enabled by checking the box. Then select Enable On-Demand Service, which is recommended to avoid firewall issues. You can also configure additional settings like save email attachments as Salesforce files and enable HTML email. Once everything is set, click Save. And that's it. That's how you set up email to case in Salesforce.